3D modeling for beginners. Here are the 4 keystrokes that you can use to model just about anything you want. The first one we're going to talk about is S for scale. So you can actually use this for an object or a face, an edge, or a vertex. Okay, so I can press S and I can scale the entire object, or if I'm in edit mode, I can scale a face, or I can scale an edge. All right. The next one we're going to use is R for rotate. So I can just take this and I can rotate it. I can also go to edit mode and rotate just a face or rotate just an edge. So this next one is called G for grab. So you're going to click on the object, press G and grab it, and then you can place it wherever you want. Now in edit mode, you can take a face and grab it. You can take an edge and grab it, or you can take a vertex and grab it to make the shape that you want. This next one only works in edit mode, which is E for extrude. So when you press E to extrude, when you select a vertex, E, it extrudes it out and creates an edge. Now when you take that edge and you press E to extrude, it creates a face. Now if you take a face and extrude it, it creates a 3-dimensional object, in this case, a cube. All right, so here's an example, right? All I have here is a hexagon. I'm going to select all of that, and I'm going to press S, then X, S to scale, right? Take these, E to extrude on Z, E to extrude, cancel out, scale, scale on the X, E to extrude, I'll lock it on the Z, E to extrude, cancel, scale a little bit, E to extrude on the Z, G and then Z, E to extrude again, cancel out, G then Z, S to scale, see? Take all of these, E to extrude, cancel out, S to scale, scale on the X, and then E to extrude down on the Z. There you go. E to extrude again, lock it on the Z, G then Z, S to scale, E then Z, E then Z again, scale, and now you have a sword. And all I used were extrude, scale, and grab, basically. See? Honestly, you guys, just using those 4 keystrokes and you can model a lot of things. So, is there anything else you guys want to learn in Blender? Let me know. Catch you guys in the comments. Peace. If you guys want to learn how to make your own 3D printing files, go to the link in my bio. I'll teach you guys how to use Blender and make your own stuff.